Year fraction function returns the year fraction representing the number of whole days between start date and end date. This function has three arguments. In start date argument, select the date that represents the start date. In end date argument, select the date that represents the end date. In basis argument, type integer. If you type 0, Excel will perform calculations by using 360-day year divided into 12 30-day months. If you type 1, Excel will perform calculations by using the actual number of days in the year and the actual number of days in each month. If you type 2, Excel will perform calculations by using 360-day year and the actual number of days in each month. If you type 3, Excel will perform calculations by using 365-day year and the actual number of days in each month. If you type 4, Excel will change the date to the 30th day of the same month if you have selected the 31st day of a month. This method is called European method. Click cancel. Active this same. Click date and time arrow button. Scroll down. Click year fraction function. Select this cell reference in start date box. Press tab key. Select this cell reference in end date box. Press tab key. Type 3 in basis box. Click OK. Now click Home tab. Number group. Click date arrow button. Click number button. You have result in year fraction.